Hello, YouTube. Oh my gosh, I feel so awkward. How you guys doing? Yes, this video is just to let you know that, hey guys, I'm having trouble with my laptop and being able to edit or type to label my videos. I do have a lot of videos that I need to put out. I'm not able to do it at this time without labeling. So it'll be a minute before you get a full video from me, but I'm gonna try my best to at least put a few little clips in here, clips in there, and yeah, so as I can make one and upload it, I will. But I do have some that's just sitting there waiting to be labeled and named. I just can't type. So some of your videos that I'm watching from you guys, I can't always comment, but I do watch it, give it a thumbs up, because I just can't type anything on my laptop. Sometimes it allow me to write, sometimes it don't. So I do thank you guys for the patience. So until I can actually label my videos, I probably won't be uploading any major videos right now. And as I can update you on my garden update and seedlings update, I will try to do that. So again, I do watch your videos and give you your credit for it. So again, until then, and just, you know, do what you do whatever you can, you know, I guess to show support back, you know, as I upload some of the smaller videos that I would be uploading. And until I can get to naming my, you know, labeling my videos, then I'll see you on some quick videos. I hope you understand. Thank you so much. Have a good day, guys. I miss you guys.